Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So, if you are new here, I have already uploaded 21 parts of the PYQ series. So, make sure to check them out. You'll find all the links in the description below. So, today we are moving on to part 22, where I'll be covering more important PYQs that will boost your preparations. So, stay tuned till the end because these questions are super helpful for you all. Also, I have covered 200 questions in this series and uploaded a PDF of those 200 questions on my Telegram. So if you haven't downloaded it yet, go grab it now. Join my Telegram, जिसका नाम है Study Sociology. You'll find the link in the description box. So once we'll reach 400 questions, I'll upload another PDF with the remaining ones. Alright, so let's begin with today's first question. That is question number 307, which says the idea of post-colonial sociology critiques the Eurocentric focus of mainstream sociology. Who are some key figures in this area? A. Syed Farid Altaf, B. Gurminder Bambar, C. Annabel Cuyano, D. Edward Said. You have to answer this question from these codes. The correct answer is all of the above, option 3. So, Altaf studied non-Western ideas in sociology. Gurminder Bambar focuses on, how colonialism shaped sociology. Then Annabel Cuyano, we already know, we have discussed this theory many times. I'll write down the theory here. Just a second. Coloniality of power, which means that colonial rule still affects societies of the modern time, today's society. So Edward Said का famous Orientalism and Occident की theories, Edward Said studied how Western countries viewed and controlled the East through ideas and culture. Alright. Next question, question number 308. Slow violence is a term used to describe environmental and social harm that happen gradually over time. Who introduced this concept? Option A, Nixon Robb. Option B, Naomi Ken. Option B, Naomi Klein. Option C, दीपेश चक्रवर्ती. ऑप्शन डी, माइक डेविस. स्लो वायलेंस आपसे पूछा जा रहा है, किसने ये कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है इनमें से? द करेक्ट आंसर इज, एक तो रॉब निक्सन है एंड दूसरे हैं दीपेश चक्रवर्ती. देयरफॉर option 2, A and C. So Nixon introduced this concept slow violence, which means that the meaning of this concept is harm that happens gradually, like pollution we can say, or climate change. So he talked about these harms through this theory. Then Deepesh Chakrabarti linked climate change to history, saying humans have shaped the earth for centuries. Right. Okay. Next question. Question number 309. Epistemic injustice refers to the unfair treatment of knowledge and those who produce it. So, which scholar have worked on this idea? A. Miranda Fricker. B. Jose Medina. C. Linda Tuhivai Smith. Okay. So, hold on a second. 3 कोड्स इधर हैं एंड एक कोड इधर है इस क्वेश्चन का. यू हैव टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन थ्रू दीज कोड्स. आपसे पूछा गया एपिस्टेमिक इनजस्टिस, किन थिंकर ने इस पे वर्क किया है? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. मिरांडा फ्रिकर, जोज मेडिना, सी लिंडा टूहीवाई स्मिथ, D. Sandra Harding. So they all have worked on this concept. Like जो Frecker है, he developed epistemic injustice, which happens when some people's knowledge is ignored. Then Medina expanded Frecker's work and added ideas about resistance. जो Smith थे, he basically focused on, she basically focused on protecting indigenous knowledge. Then Sandra Harding developed feminist standpoint theory, saying knowledge depends on people's social position. So they all are females. सबसे पहले तो ये मिरांडा फ्रिकर डेवलप करती हैं इस कॉन्सेप्ट को. बाकी जो मेडिना हैं उन्होंने एक्सपैंड किया था फ्रिकर का. ऑल राइट. Question number 310. The concept of digital divide highlights inequality in access to digital technologies. Which scholar have contributed to this discussion? Option A. Jan van Dijk. Option B. Esther Hagitay. Option C. Manuel Cassel. Option D. Dana Boyd. Here are the codes. Answer this question through these codes. Okay. So the concept of digital divide. आपसे पूछा जा रहा है which scholar have contributed to this discussion. So Manuel Cassels का तो we know कि इनका work है. He wrote about he wrote about network society where information and communication shape power. Then Dijk studied digital inequality, showing how technology is not available to everyone equally. So Dijk भी correct है. Then Hagitay researched who has access to the internet and who does not. And Boyd studied how young people use digital technology. Therefore, all of the above, ये सारे ही आएंगे. They all are correct. इन सब ने digital divide पर work किया है. Question number 311. The right to the city is a radical idea that argues urban spaces should be for all people, not just the rich. Who developed this concept? A. Henry Lefebvre. B. David Harvey. C. Edward Soja. D. Neil Brenner. Very easy concept. Right to the city we know. लेफेब्रे की तो है ही. उनके साथ साथ किसका कॉन्सेप्ट था ये हम एलिमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं. सो एडवर्ड सोजा एंड नील ब्रेनर का कोई लेना देना नहीं है राइट टू द सिटी से. हेनरी लेफेब्रे एंड डेविड हार्वी. सो लेफेब्रे इंट्रोड्यूस द आइडिया ऑफ राइट टू द सिटी, मीनिंग एवरीवन should have a say in how cities develop. And David Harvey expanded on this idea, linking it to capitalism and how cities are shaped by economic forces. So therefore option 1 A and B. Question number 312. Neoliberal governmentality describes how modern societies control people through economic policies rather than direct forces. Who has worked on this? A. Michel Foucault. B. Wendy Brown. C. Nicholas Rose. D. Loic Vaconte. Question number 312. Neoliberal governmentality. The correct answer is, so Foucault introduced governmentality का concept, right? We already know that. जिसका क्या मतलब था, which means how governments control people in subtle ways. Then Wendy Brown studied neoliberalism and how it changes democracy. जो निकोलस रोज थे linked government policies to psychology, showing how people are controlled through self-discipline. And Vicon studied how poor people are controlled through policing and prisons. Like Jeremy Bentham का concept, Panopticon वगैरह का, एंड मिशेल फुकोस कॉन्सेप्ट. सो वैसे ही विकॉन भी बोलते हैं कि कैसे पुअर जो लोग हैं, गरीब लोग हैं, उनको कैसे पुलिसिंग और प्रिजन के डर से कंट्रोल किया जाता है. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन 3 ऑल ऑफ द अबव सारे ही करेक्ट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 313. डिजास्टर कैपिटलिज्म रेफर्स to how governments and corporations exploit prices for profit. Who introduced this concept? A. Naomi Klein, B. David Harvey, C. Mike Davis, D. Saskia Sassen. डिजास्टर कैपिटलिज्म. कोड्स दिए हैं, आपको कोड से आंसर देना है. Who introduced this concept of disaster capitalism? The correct answer is, so Naomi Klein जो थे Naomi Klein coined disaster capitalism, which means companies take advantage of disasters to make money. And Mike Davis studied how poor communities suffer more during disasters because of what? Because of inequality. Therefore, option 2, A and C only. Question number 314. Everyday resistance refer to subtle and informal ways people resist power without direct confrontation. Who has contributed to this concept? A. James C. Scott, B. Michel de Certeau, C. Ashish Nandi, D. Pierre Bourdieu. So answer this question through these codes. Everyday resistance. Who has contributed to this concept? So the answer is option 3, all of the above. James C. Scott studied hidden resistance, which means small ways people fight back against power. Then Michel de Certeau said everyday actions can be acts of resistance. I'll write it down here. इनका कॉन्सेप्ट था स्कॉट का, just a second. Hidden resistance. Okay, so Michel de Certeau I have already told. Ashish Nandi argued about he actually argued that small acts of defense are important for challenging power system. All right. Then question number 315. Pierre Bourdieu, I think you already know Pierre Bourdieu का very basic. Question number 315 match the following question है. There are some theorists and उनके concepts दिए हैं. You have to match them correctly. Anthony Giddens, Ulrich Beck, Manuel Castells, Emmanuel Wallerstein. Their concepts are structuration theory, reflexive modernization, network power, world system theory. Your codes are given here. So very basic question. All the thinkers are correctly matched to with their concepts. Anthony Giddens का structuration theory. So he says people shape society, but society also shapes them. So for example, a teacher follows school rules but can also suggest changes as well. Then Ulrich Beck का reflexive modernization. We already know कि modern risks like climate change, pollution, nuclear disasters come from human actions. Manuel Castells, again, network power. network power. So digital network control information, influencing what? Influencing power and economy. Emmanuel Wallerstein, very easy, world system theory where rich countries dominate trade, keeping poor countries dependent on them. Chronology based question. You have to arrange the emergence of the sociological theory chronologically. A. Symbolic interactionism. B. Functionalism. C. Conflict theory. D. Postmodernism. Okay, so also tell me कौन से thinkers associated हैं इन सब theories से in the comments. Okay, your codes are here. So सबसे पहले आता है हमारा फंक्शनलिज्म, दैट इज बी. ऑप्शन बी, एक ही ऑप्शन में ऑप्शन 1, बी, ए, सी एंड डी. So functionalism में we keep Durkheim. He says society is like a machine where all parts work together. For example, उन्होंने education पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus किया था. So schools educate for jobs, right? Then comes symbolic interactionism. A. Symbolic interactionism में we keep Mead. जॉर्ज हर्बर्ट मीड, हर्बर्ट ब्लूमर, ये सारे सिम्बॉलिक इंटरैक्शनिज्म में आएंगे, जहाँ पे ये कहा जाता है कि पीपल गिव मीनिंग टू थिंग्स थ्रू इंटरैक्शंस. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अ हैंडशेक शोज रिस्पेक्ट. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट थ्योरी के अंदर हम मार्क्स को रखते हैं. इसमें कहा जाता है कि सोसाइटी हैज़ पावर स्ट्रगल. फॉर एग्जांपल रिच एम्प्लॉयज एक्सप्लॉइट पुअर वर्कर्स, राइट. देन कम्स पोस्ट मॉडर्निज्म, जिसमें हम बॉड्रिलार्ड, लियोटार्ड इन सबको रखते हैं. इसमें वी यूजुअली से ट्रूथ इज सब्जेक्टिव, विच इज एक्चुअली शेप्ड बाय मीडिया एंड पर्सनल व्यूज. ऑलराइट, so understanding these theories help explain different aspects of society as well. Alright, question number 317. Who among the following has worked on the concept of peripheral realism in global sociology? Option A, Emmanuel Wallerstein. B, Carlos Escud. C, Samir Amin. D, Boaventura de Souza Santos. Peripheral realism. So the correct answer is, ये तो कार्लोस एस्कूड के हिसाब से स्मॉल नेशंस एडजस्ट टू पावरफुल वंस टू सर्वाइव, राइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वीकर इकोनॉमीज डिपेंड ऑन ट्रेड विद रिच नेशंस. देन समीर आमिन की जो डिपेंडेंसी थ्योरी थी, वेयर ही सेज poor countries are kept dependent through trade, like Emmanuel Wallerstein. उन्होंने भी तो वर्ल्ड सिस्टम थ्योरी में यही कहा था ना कि जो रिच कंट्रीज़ होते हैं वो पुअर कंट्रीज़ को हमेशा डिपेंड रखते हैं, राइट. लेकिन यहाँ पे हम इमैनुअल वॉलरस्टीन की थ्योरी को रखेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज इमैनुअल वॉलरस्टीन का कोई पेरिफेरल रियलिज्म से रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. वैसे ही समीर अमीन भी डिपेंडेंसी थ्योरी में यही कहते हैं कि जो पुअर कंट्रीज़ हैं वो मोस्टली उनको उनको मोस्टली रिच नेशंस जो हैं वो कंट्रोल रखते हैं, वो हमेशा डिपेंड रहते हैं रिच कंट्रीज़ पे. देयरफॉर ऑप्शन बी एंड सी, ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 318. अगेन मैच द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. देयर आर सम सोशियोलॉजिस्ट एंड देयर works here, so you have to match both sociologists and their work correctly. Saskia Sassen, Richard Sennett, Locke Wacquant, D, Pierre Bourdieu. उनके वर्क हैं 1, ग्लोबल सिटीज़. 2, द corrosion of character. 3, punishing the poor. 4, distinction. एक भी आता होगा तो मैच हो जाएगा. ओके, सो सास्किया सासन का द ग्लोबल सिटीज ए का 1, लेट्स मैच। एक ही ऑप्शन में ए का 1 है, ए का 1। तो सास्किया सासन जो हैं वो ग्लोबल अपनी पब्लिकेशन द ग्लोबल सिटीज़ में कहते हैं सम सिटीज़, जैसे कि उसमें वी कैन कीप न्यूयॉर्क, टोक्यो, ऐसे सिटीज़ ये सब डोमिनेट करते हैं ग्लोबल फाइनेंस और ट्रेड को। उसी के बारे में सास्किया सासन अपने इस पब्लिकेशन में कहते हैं। रिचर्ड सिनेट, द corrosion of character. So modern jobs create stress because work is unstable, right? Then vacant का punishing the poor, जहाँ पे ये कहा जा रहा है कि justice systems are harsher on poor people. And we already know Pierre Bourdieu का distinction कि people use lifestyle and taste to show some social class. All right, question number 319. Who among the following scholars has developed the idea of subaltern studies? A. Ranajit Guha, B. Dipesh Chakrabarti, C. Partha Chatterjee, D. Ashish Nandi. Subaltern studies, very easy question. दीपेश चक्रवर्ती एंड पार्थ चैटर्जी के हिसाब से हिस्ट्री इग्नोर्ड द पुअर एंड कॉलोनाइज्ड पीपल। और आशीष नंदी जो है ही स्टडीड साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट्स ऑफ कलोनियलिज्म ऑन इंडियन पीपल। देयरफॉर ऑप्शन 4 ऑल ऑफ द अबव। Moving forward to question number 320. The concept of mediation in sociology refers to option 1, the growing influence of media in shaping social interactions and institutions. Option 2, the process by which governments use media for propaganda. Option 3, the increasing dependence of education on digital media. And option 4, the loss of face-to-face communication in modern society. Question number 320. Mediation का मतलब क्या होता है in sociology? The correct answer is option 1, the growing influence of media in shaping social interactions and institutions. So media influence everything from politics to personal beliefs. For example, elections shaped by news and social media. Okay, question number 321 को भी हमको chronologically arrange करना है according to their birth year. Options are option A, Irving Goffman, option B, Pierre Bourdieu, option C, Judith Butler, option D, Zygmunt Bauman. बहुत basic question है for you. Okay, so let's write their birth years first. I'll zoom in the screen. All right. So Irving Goffman का है 1922. Then Zygmunt Bauman 1925. पियर बूर्डो का है 1930. देन जूडिथ बटलर 1956. लेट्स मैच A, then D, B and C. A, D, B and C. Option 2. All right. So before we end the video, I just want to remind you about the PDF I have created, which include 1000 plus sociology thinkers और उनके concepts, which will be very useful for you guys. It's a great resource for all the sociology students who are preparing for any competitive exams. So if you are preparing for exams like UPSC, NET, JRF, or any other competitive exam, this PDF will be super helpful for you guys. So right now you can get it at a 50% discount for just rupees 99 here, but the original price of this PDF is 200 rupees, और ये ऑफर सिर्फ होली तक वैलिड है, तो आप उसके पहले लीजिए इस PDF को. इफ़ यू वांट द PDF, आप मुझे टेलीग्राम पर मैसेज कर सकते हैं. द लिंक इज़ देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. Also, I have already covered 200 questions in this series and uploaded a PDF of those questions on my Telegram channel. And once we reach 400 questions, I'll upload another PDF of the remaining ones. So if you want the PDF, आप मेरे Telegram channel पर जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. मेरे Telegram channel का नाम है Study Sociology. Link is mentioned in the description box. Alright, so that's all for today. See you guys in the next video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Thank you.